I know I'm right. See? See, you out here acting on that privilege shit, and I'm tired of it. This is one of the only thing of Earl's we got. And you ain't even protected. Nigga, you don't even care about him.
What? I don't even care about him? My own father? Man, you're the one that doesn't care about him. I haven't heard you say one nice thing about him since I met you.
Because I didn't know him. And you did. Congratulations.
Malik, chill, man.
No, bro, ain't no chill. Look, y'all got memories of Earl, and y'all can sit back and chit-chat about the good old days and shit, and I can't do that. You have no idea what it's like to go from a group home to a shitty-ass foster home and back countless times. No birthdays, no holidays, no celebrations, none of that shit. So yes, I'm catching feelings about a nigga that I barely even fucking knew.
Malik, it wasn't easy for any of us.
But y'all got to see him and y'all got to touch him, okay? I didn't even know what his fucking voice sound like, man. That's like a whole part of me that I'll never get to see.
Look what y'all did.
Shut up, Montel.